welcome. This is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. This is the next project that I will be working on. This is a beautiful diamond painting that I got from NewCraftDay. Beautiful autumn image. I love the pumpkins, the sunflowers. I love all the colors in this. It's a beautiful size, 40 by 40 centimeters, and it is a full round drill. The actual canvas itself is nice and flexible. It does have a few sort of wrinkles in it up the top, but I'm not concerned about that actually because there's none in the drill field, so that won't affect how that comes out. But absolutely gorgeous, 24 colors, just beautiful. I'll do a sticky test while I'm here so I don't forget. So that's pretty sticky. Oops. Yep, she's sticky. It's a great size. I love it. I love all the colors in it, and I love how you got this pop of purple color coming out of there. It sort of lifts the image. Just love it. Alright, I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look. In we go. So that drill field looks really good. You've got some darker symbols there, but you have the lighter writing, so it's no problem at all reading those symbols. You have two symbol keys, one on each side. Look how beautifully printed that is. So with all those L's and stuff, I will most definitely be using the multi-placer. I'm starting to get the hang of it now, slowly but surely. And then coming up here, you got the beautiful purple. Up the top, there is a thumbnail, and there's your symbol key. So they are all capital letters, and you have your DMC cross-reference. No issues at all reading those symbols. I mean, you've got like letter S, you've got dark purple and black writing, but it's very obvious where those symbols are, so there's no issues with that. Yep, bringing you around in the middle. That doesn't look bad at all. Alright, zooming you back out again. And I'll flip wherever and we'll have a look at those drills. So you still got some folds in the back, which it's not going to affect at all the front part of the diamond painting where you put your drills. So the drills. Drills came in a pack. They are individually sorted in zip seal bags. I love it when they do this. Just makes my life so much easier. So there is no issues at all as to what number they are. Beautifully labeled, no problem at all. So and they're actually quite the plastic's actually quite sturdy. So you've got some beautiful oranges, green, it's a bright green, green, orange, orangey red. There's your beautiful purples, gorgeous yellow, and some more red. And just quickly going through these. I think is that a different orange? Yes. Oh yeah. Big bag of orange, yellow, browns, and reds. A little bit of green. So those drills look really, really good. You can see they've got quite a bit of shine to them already. They look really good. And last but not least, so see how easily identifiable they are. So with these drills, you can kick them up into your containers, which is what I will do. But you can just as easily work straight out of the bag. They're easy to follow, and saves you kitting them up. So I know lots of people like to work straight from the Ziploc bags. I do sometimes, but no, I'll be kitting these guys up. But just gorgeous colors, really beautiful autumn colors. All right, flipping her back over again. So I will be getting started on this pretty quick. I will be showing you what it looks like when it's finished, my review, let you know what I thought of it, that sort of thing. So I'm going to jump right in, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright, so I'm just going to jump in here before I go any further and show you how I kit up a diamond painting that comes with the drills in those Ziploc bags. Now, a lot of people just work straight out of the Ziploc bags, which makes it so much easier. You don't have to do all this kitting up stuff, but I do like kitting my drills up, so I'm just going to show you roughly how I do it. And I don't know if that helps you out. Awesome. If it doesn't, sorry. But yeah, I'll show you how I sort of do it. So get all my drills out. Get rid of that. So I have my drills. I have my diamond painting for reference, and I use these containers. These are my absolute favoriteest. Got them from Kmart. They're little screw top jars, and they actually hold a lot of drills in there. It's deceiving. You think, yeah, no, they're too small, but they actually do hold up a lot of drills. I got that, and then I just have these labels here. I get them from the newsagents. They're like $6, and they are little rectangle labels, and they come off really easily, and that's the label size there that I use. Is it focusing? So that's the size I use. 1500. It's going to last me ages. So all I do is I just pull out a strip, and I just go right down the line there, and I write down the symbol and the DMC color like so. And then what I do is I put them all in alphabetical order, because there's nothing more frustrating to me than not being able to find the color I'm after. So I just go through and I put them all in alphabetical order first, and then they're all ready to go. And then what I do is I get my packets of drills and I put them in DMC code piles. So normally on these packets that you get, they will actually have the DMC code on there. And I put them like all the 100s together, all the 200s together, all the 300s together, that sort of thing. Because the DMC codes are not on there, what I will do is just put them in numerical order and then just kind of go from there. So, I've got 4 and 9, 7. I'll put all the 20s in another pile. I've got 6, 20s, 20s, 20s. 13, 14, 15, 16. And when you get them in your packet, they're usually in numerical order anyway. But yeah, normally they actually put the DMC codes on it, which is how I normally work. 17, 18, 19. So I sort of get them out like that, and then I just sort of go from either the top. So you've got symbol N is first, and it is 150. I just go to my containers here, grab N, should be easy to find because it is in alphabetical order, and then I grab color 1, which I've got here, color 1, and then I pour it in there. Done. Putting back in. Then I go to color 2 is symbol A. There's A, color number 2, 2, and I just pair them up like that, and then I fill it all up, and that's how it goes. So that's kind of how I do it, but normally if it's in your DMC numbers, they are in numeric order along there, and then I just kind of look off there, find color number 150, which is N, color 150, it's in the 100s pile, grab that, pop her in, and she's done. So that's kind of how I kit up these particular diamond paintings. So yeah, anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and kit these up, and then I'll get started on this diamond painting, and I'll see you back for the review. Okay, so didn't this turn out lovely? I just love the colors in this. I love the image. Just love doing this. This is fantastic. Love all the colors here. I love how they've done, like, the background is that sort of red and black, and it just really brings those colors out. Beautiful contrasting colors. The shading in these flowers are really well done, and the greenery as well. Just love everything about this. There's only just one thing, like this flower here is quite flat. Doesn't have any shading in it, but it's the only one, and it's kind of in the corner. it's these ones overshadow that one anyway, but that's kind of my only negative with this. It was just a great canvas to work with. I just love the image. I love the pumpkins and how they've surrounded it with the flowers. Just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Drills were in really good condition. Really shiny, actually. Not that it's coming up on camera. But yeah, they're really good. I had maybe 1 or 2 reject drills, hardly any. So really beautiful drills. Anyway, I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look at them. There we go. So I actually use my multi-placer on a lot of this, so it's I'm still kind of learning how to wield it. So my lines are still a little bit wavy, but you know, practice makes perfect. But there's that background. It's really well done. There's the 2D sort of flower. It kind of melted into the pumpkin there. So really lovely drills. So my issue with the symbols, I just had one little issue. Oh, there's those beautiful purple flowers. So I'll bring you over to the symbol key here. So my only issue was O and D. And they were very similar, and they were in together mostly. If they were together side by side, I didn't really have much of a problem. But when they were sort of sprinkled elsewhere, I was like, oh, is that a D or is that an O? That was kind of my only issue, if you can call it that. Other than that, everything was easy. Most of the time they were together and I could tell them apart. But yeah, didn't that turn out really nice? All right, bring you into the center, and out we go again. Just gorgeous, really beautiful. All right, so I will show you the leftover drills. Leftover drills, I still have 2 bags left. That was that main pumpkin color. So there's heaps left over there. Kitted it up in my favoriteest containers. And they're in alphabetical order. And there was plenty of drills left over. Heaps. Lots and lots left over. Heaps of the greens left over, actually. It's red, lots and lots of red left over. There was one color that I got close and I thought, ooh, oh my goodness, am I going to run out? And that was this one here. So it was one of the main pumpkin colors. I was like, oh my gosh, am I going to have enough? And I just had enough. So that was fine. But yeah, lots of these, the greens left over. Heaps left over. Really good quality drills, nice and shiny. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, I'll flip you back over again. So there is my beautiful autumn pumpkins. Absolutely love this. Is so gorgeous. And being a 40 by 40, you're just getting that little bit extra detail in it. A little extra color coverage as well. So it's a perfect size for this diamond painting. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'd like to thank NewCraftDay very much for sending this out to me for review. I absolutely love it. And I will, I'm not sure. I don't know if I might just put a bit of washi tape around the edging and hang it up. I have a cork board that I have on my wall and it's blank. And then when the seasons come around, I hang up my diamond paintings on the cork board. And it might go on the cork board, I reckon. Anyway, we'll see what happens. But yes, thank you so much, NewCraftDay, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.